the best job for me na Sura.
You're going straight to palarong pambansa. How will this experience shape your future plans on sports and youth development? May nakapagsabi na ba sa'yo na kamukha mo si Jenner Harake?
Andito po tayo sa may Isolan, Sultan Kudarat kasi we'll be joining the culmination program of SRAA 2026. And if you can remember, few days ago, feature po natin yung kanilang opening na talagang world class, grabe. For the past few days, naglaban-laban po yung iba't ibang atleta on different athletic events. Congrats sa mga nanalo and congrats sa lahat ng nakasama sa SRAA kasi the fact nakasama ka sa event na to, you are someone in this region.
What does it mean for your province to host SRAA 2026?
It means a lot kasi everything and every opportunity na may bigay natin sa ating mga kabataan, gusto natin ibigay. Especially last SRAA meeting, di ba, opening natin, I really emphasize the message of perseverance. Because we admit that there's a lot of problems in our country today. Ang daming challenges, nasa crisis pa tayo, pero my message is perseverance na kahit anong mangyari, yung youth natin, priority natin sila. Athletic empowerment, we want to give it to them. That's why we built different infrastructure katulad ng napakalaking pole. We made sure na rubberize ang ating oval. Everything we gave for our youth dahil gusto natin sila magiging pag-asa ng bayan. But yung pagiging pag-asa nila, nakadepende yan sa ating mga leaders, sa ating mga elders. We have to do our part na tayo magdadala ng torch para maliwanag ang kanilang mga daan. Na tayo maglalagay ng stage para makita ng lahat kung anong skills nila. That is our role. And in Sultan Kudarat, when we were presented with this opportunity, sabi namin, we want to make it different. We want to make it empowering. We want to make it something na makapag-inspire pa sa napakarami pang mga kabataan. At the end, this is not for me. This is not for the provincial government. In fact, itong activity na ito, it's all for the youth. And as you've seen, hindi lang taga Sultan Kudarat ang nandito, buong Region 12. It is because we wanted to deliver the message that our services, our passion, our love for the youth, it is universal. Hindi taga Sultan Kudarat lang, hindi, it's for everyone. We want to showcase what Sultan Kudarat can offer. Pag sinabing Sultan Kudarat, it is for everyone. We support everyone. Lahat-lahat ng bagay na nakakatulong, we give it. And this is what inspired me to accept SRAA this 2026. Napakalaking opportunity for us to showcase our hospitality, our culture, na masabi nila Sultan Kudarat, isang probinsya kung saan nakakaisa ang Muslim, Kristiyano, lumad at bukas sa bukas sa iba't ibang mga programa para sa ating mga kababayan.
Ano yung masasabi niyo sa probinsya ng Sultan Kudarat for their preparation?
Very maganda po masyado. Wala akong nag-expect na yung dahil grabe sila kabuutan, very welcoming, and grabe jud sila maghatag sa mga athlete o mga foods like magpatag po si Gov o 1K and katong coupon and karing opening and ang closing kay very nice pud kaayo, like the best job for me na Sura.
Napaka-overwhelming ng outcome. Pinagpreparahan namin ito since last year. Actually, nag-tone down pa tayo from the 100% po na preparation natin. We go down to 50% na lang due to the crisis issues na kinakaharap natin. Ang daming gusto pang i-offer ni Gov kaso we need to tone down due to the crisis. But alhamdulillah, sa mga feedback po na naririnig natin sa ating mga atleta, coaches, and the guests and visitors po na napunta dito since opening ay napakaganda. And according po sa ating PNP, we have recorded more than 1.2 million visitors since day one. So ito po yung napakaganda dito because dahil po sa ginawa natin, nagkaroon ng extra income ang ating mga tao. Ang nabuhay po ang ating carnival, ang ating mga stalls sa iba't ibang venue natin, ang mga negosyante natin sa Lambayong, sa Takurong, Isulan, and Esperanza. Especially the most affected ang transport sector natin, nagkaroon ng chance para magkaroon ng additional income ngayong SRAA dahil po sa influx po ng mga bisita na dumating na hindi rin natin inasahan, na napaka-supportive ng iba't ibang probinsya at iba't ibang delegasyon na pumunta dito.
How will this experience shape your future plans on sports and youth development?
We will position ourselves that we can accommodate more athletic competitions and athletic empowerment. Kasi sabi namin, hindi pwede na pagkatapos ng SRAA, tapos ng lahat. It is our mission and our kumbaga, calling na dapat hindi temporary band-aid solution ang ating mga programa. We want to sustain this. We want to continue this because we want to ensure na pati sa mga susunod na mga kabataan, of course, pag graduate nila, next batch na naman, maramdaman pa rin nila that we have a Sultan Kudarat that is really a partner sa youth development. That's why after this, we will continue different programs. Position Sultan Kudarat as an athletic center. In fact, Arnis capital of the Philippines na Sultan Kudarat. We will showcase na ang Sultan Kudarat pwede pala magkaroon at makilala sa ganitong aspeto. At the end of the day, it is an economic tool and an empowerment tool na maramdaman ng ating mga kababataan that they can be the very best versions of themselves and Sultan Kudarat will be part of that journey.
Ano yung nararamdaman mo ngayon bagging the gold medal dito po sa SRAA 2026?
Super excited po na makalaro na naman sa palarong pambansa.
Okay, so you're going straight to palarong pambansa. Wow, kanino mo inaalay itong panalo na to?
Sa aking pamilya po at saka sa aking mga kaibigan na sumusuporta sa akin.
Congratulations po sa General Santos City for being the overall champion po ng SRAA 2026.
Pinakamaganda po dito sa SRAA natin na ito, lahat po ng facilities natin bago, lahat renovated para lamang po maibigay natin ang quality po ng events na kinakailangan. We follow the standard of the Palarong Pambansa and Philippine Sports Commission po para po mag-qualify po lahat ng athletes natin sa Palarong Pambansa and sa SEA Games.
Throughout the competition, ano yung pinaka natutunan mo sa buhay?
Discipline and kahit manalo or matalo, always po be humble po.
Bilang leader governor, merong bang moment during SRAA na talagang naantig yung puso mo?
Of course, every moment was really significant to me. Lalo na ng opening. Dahil everyone was really excited. Ano bang meron? Bakit ganito? Kakaiba ba? At the end, it's just a matter of us wanting to motivate and inspire others to do more. Kasi sabi ko nga, isa sa mga trabaho ng leader is to inspire and motivate. We want this as an opportunity to motivate and inspire others as well. Other regions, other countries. Kasi alam mo, simple, kumbaga big dreams start with simple actions eh. This is a humble start, a humble beginning. And hopefully, this will, kumbaga domino effect na patuloy at patuloy ito. Not just in Sultan Kudarat or Region 12, but also in the entire country.
Ano yung mensahe mo sa mga susunod na atleta o mga kagaya mong batang atleta?
Padayon lang mo, mag-training, magpayo. Huwag kayo susuko. Ilaban natin ang pangarap natin.
It's 10 o'clock na po ng gabi, pero intact pa rin ang tao dito. So right now, awarding na lang nung by provinces and cities kung ano yung ranking nila sa naging different events no dito sa SRAA. So I think no in few minutes magtatapos na rin po itong programa na to. Overall, grabe no. Kudos again to the provincial government of Sultan Kudarat, headed by the beloved Governor Dato Pax Ali Sangki Manguna Dato. Successful yung opening, successful during, and dito po sa culmination, very successful din. And ito yung nakakatuwa, no? Nag-post kanina si Chief of Staff Kahat Dalaten na for the first time po sa history ng SRAA na hindi nagkaroon ng turnover ceremony para sa kung sino yung next na probinsya or syudad na mag-host. So, alam mo yon, itong Sultan Kudarat have set a very high standard on hosting SRAA. May nakapagsabi na ba sa'yo na kamukha mo si Jenna Parake?
Yes po. So,
So ikaw, any message naman sa mga batang atleta kagaya niyo?
Do your best.
Pinaka-heart po ng ating SRAA ay ang ating mga kabataan. Mabigay sa kanila ang best experience, best accommodation, at pinaka-best investment sa kanila dito, yung may papadala natin sila sa palarong pambansa. At sa tingin natin, ang target po ng region natin ng Soccer Gen ay maikampiyon po ang Region 12 sa darating na palarong pambansa. Of course, with the support of the governors from Sultan Kudarat, South Cotabato, Sarangani, North Cotabato, mayors, our city mayors from Jensan, Tacurong, Kidapawan, and Coronadal City. Nakita nyo naman nung opening, sama-sama po sila ang ating mga congressman, ang ating mga governors, vice governors, at lahat ng mga mayors in attendance po. Just to show support sa ating mga kabataan, because ito po ang pinaniniwalaan natin that when we invest with our young people, magiging maganda po yung kinabukasan ng bawat syudad, ng bawat probinsya at ng buong Region 12 po. Ito yung panata at pangako ng ating mga local leaders po dito sa Region 12 na maging excellent po yung mga kabataan natin in different fields. Kaya po dito sa Soccer Gen po, pinangangalagaan natin ang bawat atleta, ang bawat talentadong mga kabataan dito sa ating mahal na Rion.
Ngayon natapos na po yung SRA 2026, Governor. Ano yung kwento ng Sultan Kudarat na gusto mong maiwan sa buong rehiyon?
I want them to realize and I want them to bring with them pag-uwi nila sa kanilang mga bayan, mga kanilang mga tahanan, that when we say Sultan Kudarat, it's for everyone. A Sultan Kudarat that we can be proud of, a Region 12 that we can say na nagkakaisa. Because at the end of the day, it's not a competition Yung SRA itself, it's an athletic meet competition yan. Pero being a host, there's nothing about competition there. It's just giving the best we can for our youth. And I'm inspired by other provinces. Nakita natin lahat ng ating mga governors talagang sumuporta. From North Cotabato, South Cotabato, Sarangani, nandyan din po ang ating Jensan, Kidapawan, Takurong partners. They all went here. Nakita nila at sumuporta sila. In fact, ng opening ceremony, nandun ang ating mga vice governors, nandun ang congresswoman, nandun lahat-lahat because this is something significant for me. Na alam ko, hindi lang taga Sultan Kudarat ang nagtutulungan. Even our neighboring provinces are there who made sure that this will be a success for every delegate coming from different provinces and cities.
Congratulations, Governor. You're an inspiration. And
Thank you.
please continue to be a blessing to Filipino.
Of course, this is all for Allah and for the people.
It's 11 o'clock. No? Tapos na rin po yung event. Eto, pauwi na po kami. Once again, congratulations sa provincial government ng Sultan Kudarat, sa lahat ng people behind the success of SRA 2026. Ako gustong-gusto kong uma-attend po ng ganito kasi somehow nai-inspire po tayo. Alam mo yon, na nakakita tayo ng mga activity na hindi lang ginagawa for compliance, kundi ramdam ng tao yung sincerity, ramdam ng tao yung serbisyo. And how I wish na yung mga ganitong klaseng leaders dumami po sila. Once again, thank you Sultan Kudarat for always inviting us.